I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 18th of May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine class? Okay. So in yesterday lesson we revise the DMAS and BORDMAS rule. Isn't class? Huzaifa? Danish? Very good. So who will tell me what is DMAS stands for? What is DMAS stands for? Very good. First we have division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Okay class? हमारे पास अगर एक क्वेश्चन में मोर देन वन ऑपरेशन यूज होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? वी विल फॉलो द मैथ्स रूल. फाइन क्लास? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन in which 7 plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 18. Fine. I have a question in which 3 operations are used at a time. Isn't class? So Iman, you tell me which operation that we will solve first. हम सबसे पहले कौन सा ऑपरेशन जो है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे? वेरी गुड. वी विल सॉल्व फर्स्ट डिवीजन. हम लोग क्यों सॉल्व करेंगे पहले डिवीजन को? अकॉर्डिंग टू DMAS वी हैव फर्स्ट इज डिवीजन साइन. सो वी विल सॉल्व फर्स्ट दिस 7 as it is plus as it is. 6 is inside the division and 2 is outside the division. 6 is known as dividend and 2 is divisor because 6 जो है वो क्या हो रहा है? डिवाइड हो रहा है 2 पे. ठीक है. सो वी विल टेक एज 6 डिविडेंड. हम 6 को क्या लेंगे? डिविडेंड. और 2 को जो है हम क्या लेंगे? डिवाइजर. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. Next, when we will solve 6 divided by 2, we have 2 3 times 6. 2 3 times 6. So when we will divide 6 divided by 2, we have 3. We have 3. Multiplication sign as it is and 18 as it is. Fine class? So who will tell me what is the next step? Next step क्या होगा? वेरी गुड. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट. क्यों हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन को जो है पहले सॉल्व करेंगे? बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू DMAS वी हैव फर्स्ट इज प्लस एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में फर्स्ट पे क्या आ रहा है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो वी विल सॉल्व फर्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. वी विल राइट 7 as it is. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व 18 into 3. 3 8 times is 24. 3 8 times is 24. 2 digit number. So what is the value which is at unit place? Very good. 4. So we will write 4 here and 2 as a carry. Fine. 2 as a carry. Now we will read the table of 3. 3 1 times. 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. 54. 54. When we divide, when we multiply 3 into 18, we have 54. Now what is the next step? Who will tell me? Shamir Alam, you tell me. 7 plus 4. Very good. We will simply we will simply add 54 plus 7. हम 7 में क्या करेंगे, 4 ऐड करेंगे, so 4 upper, 1 2 3 4 and 7 4 lower, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many numbers are in total? Let's count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 two-digit number. So I will write 1 here, which is as unit place, and 1 as a carry. Now for next, which is 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. We have 61. Is it clear, class? How we will solve questions according to the mass rule. Now I am going to solve exercise, and the first question is fill in the blanks. Exercise number 1D, page number 20. Page number is 20. Fine. And first part, which is A, 5 multiplied by 9 minus 2 equals to dash. 5 multiplied by bracket 9 minus 2. So class, if you look, we have two signs that are involved in this question. And which are they? कौन से involve हो रहे? 2. कौन से involve हो रहे? 2. The first is multiplication and the second is subtraction. Isn't class? Okay. As we studied board mass rule yesterday, so what is what are the steps that are involved in this? क्या steps involve होते हैं board mass में? Very good. अगर हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन है और उसके अंदर ब्रैकेट भी इन्वॉल्व हो रही है और मोर देन वन ऑपरेशंस भी इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं, सो वी विल सिंपली, हम क्या करते हैं उसमें, सिंपली पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करते हैं क्लास, देन डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, एज इट इज ब्रैकेट में क्या है हमारे पास, 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now we have, okay, वैसे तो आप लोगों को याद है जब हम लोगों ने मैथ रूल पढ़ा था, सो हम उसमें पहले डिवीजन करते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. बट जब हम ब्रैकेट्स की इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो जाती है क्वेश्चन में, तो उसमें मैटर नहीं करता कि कौन सा ऑपरेशन यूज हो रहा है. ठीक है, हम फर्स्ट पे जो है ब्रैकेट को ही सॉल्व करेंगे. अब इन दिस क्वेश्चन इफ यू लुक क्लास, वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन आर्स इन्वॉल्व. ऐसे ये सब्ट्रैक्शन इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है, बट हम जो है पहले किसको सॉल्व करेंगे, ब्रैकेट को. और ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास क्या है, 9 minus 2. So we will solve 9 minus 2 and we get 7 from it. हम लोगों को क्या मिला है वहां से, 7. ये क्लियर है सबको? So 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 7 is 35. Clear? So in the end we have 35. I'm going to revise. I have a blank which is a part, 5 multiplied by 9 minus 2. ओके, ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, 9 minus 2. वैसे जब हम मैथ रूल के अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं तो हम ऑर्डर जो है उसको क्या करते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल करते हैं. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास ब्रैकेट जो है जब उसकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो जाती है तो मैटर नहीं करता कि कौन सा साइन जो है उस ब्रैकेट में है, हम उस ब्रैकेट को ही फर्स्ट पे सॉल्व करेंगे। फाइन, नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव 5 multiplied 9 minus 2. So when we solve 9 minus 2 we have 7, and in the end we will solve 5 into 7 which is equals to 35. ये क्लियर हो गया सबको? 5 7 टाइम्स क्या होता है? 35. फाइन, नाउ बी पार्ट, plus 1 multiply by 9 equals to dash. 3 plus 1 multiply by 9 equals to dash. If you look class, if you look, we have two operations that are used. Which are they? The first is plus and the second is multiplication sign. Isn't class? Very good. So when we have bracket, we will first solve bracket portion. In this portion we have 3 plus 1. So क्या करेंगे हम? 3 plus 1 को solve करेंगे and we get 4 from it. जब हमने 3 में 1 को add किया, so we get 4. We get 4 from it. Multiplication sign and 9 as it is. Fine. As you know class, 9 4 times 36. 9 4 times 36. ये clear है? Now I am going to revise B part. You have to be listen very carefully. I have 3 plus 1 which is in the bracket, then multiplication sign and then 9. So according to BODMAS rule, first of all I will solve bracket. ठीक है? और मैटर नहीं करता कि उसके अंदर कौन सा जो है ऑपरेशन यूज हो रहा है. We will simple solve bracket portion. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 into 9 is 36. 4 9 times क्या होता है? 36. So in the end we have 36. Fine class? Now the next part which is C. 4 minus 2 multiplication by 4. 4 minus 2 multiplied by 4. What would we do in this? हम क्या करेंगे क्लास इसमें? सिंपल. Very good. We will follow BODMAS rule. Isn't? Bracket involve हो रही है and two operations involve हो रही है. So what would we do? We will simple solve bracket portion, which is 4 minus 2. हमारे पास क्या है? 4 minus 2. So we will solve first 4 minus 2 which is 2 from it. Then we will solve 4 minus 2. We have 2 from it. हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 2. जब हमने 4 को subtract किया 2 में से, so we have 2 in the end. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4. So what would we do in this? हम क्या करेंगे? 2 into 4 is क्या होता है? 2 4 times. Very good. 2 4 times is 8. 2 4 times is 8. Is it clear class? Okay. So 2 4 times is 8. We have C part. Now I am going to revise. We have 4 minus 2 which is in the bracket, then multiplication sign and then 4. So according to BODMAS rule, we will first solve bracket portion. So 4 minus 2, which is 2, then multiplication sign as it is, and then 4 as it is. In the end, when we will multiply 2 into 4 and we get 8 from it. Fine class? Okay. Now D part. 9 plus 4 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Minus 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to dash. So class, if you look, we have 3 operations that are used in this question. Isn't class? Who will tell me which operations that are used? Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Very good. We have first operation that is used, which is addition. The second is subtraction, and the third is multiplication. Isn't class? पहला प्लस है, then subtraction है, and end पे क्या है? Multiplication. अब हम क्या करेंगे? First we will solve addition sign. Isn't? हम क्या एडिशन को पहले सॉल्व करेंगे? No. We will solve first multiplication portion. क्यों कर रहे हैं अब उसको हम? Because according to the mass rule, we first solve division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay? So in this question, we will solve first multiplication, which is 3 multiplied 2. So 9 plus 4 as it is आ जाएगा, minus as it is. When we will solve 3 into 2, we get 6 from it. We get 6 from it. Now, if you look, we have only 2 operations. The first is plus and the second is minus. पहला कौन सा है? Plus and second कौन सा है? Minus. Isn't class? Okay. So 9 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total we have class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13. So 13 minus 6. We will write 13 minus 6. यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? Okay. So in the last we will solve 13 minus 6. Fine? If you look, we have 3 in the upper, which is smaller than lower. So we will take this number as a 2-digit whole. Fine? Which is 13 minus 6. और 13 में से क्या करेंगे हम? 6 को subtract करेंगे. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 nines in total, and we want to subtract from it 6. 6 subtract करना चाहते हैं, so we will cut 4, 5, 6. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Fine? End पे मेरे पास क्या आएगा? 7. Now class, I am going to revise D part. So when we will solve multiplication, we have 6 plus 35. 35 में हम क्या करेंगे? 6 को ऐड करेंगे. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 carry and we have 41. We have 41. So class, this is all which is related to the maths and board maths rule. You have to solve question 1, 2, 3 on your book, which is all related to the maths and board maths rule. Fine. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.